What if I told you that I'm going to document every single step of growing this YouTube channel from just 115 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in 90 days? And if it takes more than 90 days, then I guess it'll be over 90 days. But here's the thing. I'm not going to be editing out the failures and pretend that failure doesn't happen. And I'm not going to hide any bad weeks. This is going to be complete transparency with all my analytics and strategies and, of course, results. This 90 days started December 1st, and it's going to run until February 28th, 2026. And I know what you're thinking. Another YouTuber promising to show me how to grow. But here's what makes this different, because I'm not teaching from a position of I already made it. I'm doing this right now, real time, and you're going to see everything, the wins, the losses, and the ugly truth about what actually works in 2026. I have another YouTube channel with 16,000 subscribers, so I know it's possible. And I actually have another channel that has about 5,000 subscribers, both of them fully monetized. But I'm starting this channel from scratch to prove that the strategies that I'm using still work today, the current algorithm with current competition. Because here's the thing, the other two channels that I built them over 5 years ago, things have changed. And I'm inviting you to follow along, learn with me, and maybe even start your very own YouTube journey. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what I'm going to do and why I'm doing it and how you can follow along or even join me in this challenge. Even if you've been thinking about starting YouTube or you're stuck with a small channel, this series is for you. Let's do this together. Before I share my complete 90-day plan, let me tell you why I'm doing this publicly instead of just growing this channel quietly. First is accountability. When you commit publicly, you're far more likely to follow through. I'm putting my reputation on the line here, and if I fail, you're gonna see it. And that pressure will keep me consistent. I know I'm gonna have my bad days. I may even skip a day. But knowing that I will have people depending on me showing up is going to give me the motivation to keep on going. Second is real-time learning. I'm going to test strategies and other frameworks, and you'll see the results immediately. And I'm going to tell you the results, and not something that I did a few years ago. But you're going to know what works in 2026. Third is community. I want to build this channel with you, not just for you. Your comments, suggestions, and support will shape this journey. So today I'm going to cover my current starting point. I'm going to go over my upload strategy / plan between December 1st to February 20. So let's start with where I am now. I haven't uploaded on this channel in over a year, and I only have 115 subscribers. So this is a completely unused channel, pretty much starting from scratch. This is my reality. It's definitely not impressive, but it's honest. 90 days from, we'll compare these numbers and see exactly what changed. Over the next 90 days, I'm gonna test strategies or some principles that I'll be implementing. Number one is think like YouTube. What that means is creating content that serves YouTube's objectives. I'll touch on this in more detail in a future video. But the number one thing that YouTube wants is to keep people on the platform, keep people watching videos. Let me give you an example. If you have one video over here that people watch, at least 50% of the video, and then you have another video up over here that people stop watching after a couple seconds, if YouTube had its choice, which video do you think that they're going to promote? Of course, it's the one that has the better retention. Again, more details in a future video. Watch time is king. YouTube cares about watch time. What that means is making videos that are over 8 to 10 minutes long with a high retention. Something else I'm going to do is go live on my channel at least once a week, because going live is the best way to build a connection with your audience. So I definitely recommend you doing it as well. What I love about going live is you don't have to, obviously you have to prepare somewhat of an outline of what you want to talk about, because I always have these great ideas what I want to talk about. But as soon as I hit record, I totally forget everything. We have an outline. Other things that I'm going to try to implement is obviously creating videos that people are actively searching for. YouTube is a search engine app. Responding to comments within 24 hours should be easy to do because my channel is so small and not many people are going to be commenting because it is so small. Something else I want to do is create community posts to maintain presence and to help build that know and trust factor. Now, along with this YouTube journey, I want to build an income in addition to AdSense income. And I want to be able to earn a profit before I'm even monetized. The best way to do that is sell something. What I'm going to be doing is selling digital products that actually complement building a YouTube channel. They teach you marketing strategies to build a YouTube channel, to sell on YouTube, and make an income, regardless of if you're monetized. And of course, if you want to check out the masterclass, you can click on the link below this video for more. 3 kinds of videos I'm going to create per week. Number 1, of course, educational video, teaching these strategies in depth. Every Monday, I'm going to be doing a week in review and talk about successes, failures, so you can see how far I've come, how far the channel has grown or not grown. Then Fridays, I'm going to go live and it can be a Q&A. I'll obviously go over a little bit more of my story, why I created this channel in person, like more of a personal type content. And it'll be a way for me to learn to see what you're struggling with and have that dialogue. My 90-day goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. I will have published 90 videos. Most of them will be uploaded long form videos as well as 1 live stream a week. I'm not going to worry about shorts for now. Maybe I'll worry about that in the future, but for now, I'm not going to worry about uploading any YouTube shorts. I want to build a loyal community that grew with me so I can continue to help you along your YouTube journey. And then I also want to have multiple income streams. And of course, I will document and have a case study for you to learn from me. Here's what failure looks like to me. Number 1, not hitting 1,000 subscribers in 90 days, which, hey, it could happen. It's also inconsistent posting, be missing some weeks, giving up when strategies don't work immediately, or giving up when I don't see that the analytics are getting any better. And if I fail to do any of this stuff, I'll document that too. And you'll learn from my mistakes and I'll figure out what went wrong and fix it. Here's how you can follow along this journey. There are a couple ways. You can follow along as a viewer. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel to get every update, watch the educational videos to learn the strategies, watch the journey videos to see the real results. And of course, you're more than welcome to comment with your questions, suggestions. Hopefully, we'll be celebrating the wins and support through the challenges. Option number 2, which is the one I hope you choose, is to join this challenge. Start your own 90-day growth challenge using the same strategies that I'm testing and teaching. And of course, sharing your results in the comments because I want to hear about them. You're going to help inspire other people grow as well. Of course, we're going to learn from each other's experiences, and this creates accountability for both of us. Option 3, these are the people that haven't even started anything yet, is create your own channel. Use this series as your roadmap. Follow the week-by-week strategies. Avoid the mistakes I make. And you're going to start with the advantage of seeing what works. Here's the thing. To make this challenge legit and valuable, I'm going to commit to these rules. Rule number 1, complete transparency. Once a week, I'm going to go ahead and share my analytics, my views, my watch times, click-through rate, subscribers, everything, the good, bad, ugly. Rule number 2, I'm not going to take any shortcuts. I'm not going to buy subscribers, no sub for sub, no crazy tactics, only legitimate, sustainable growth strategies. Rule number 3 is consistent posting. I'm going to post and upload 6 long form videos a week and do 1 live stream a week. I think the day is going to be Fridays for the live stream. Rule number 4 is if I try something I'll commit to trying this strategy for at least one full week before judging its effectiveness and not just giving up after doing it one time. Rule number 5 is community engagement. I will respond to every comment in the first 48 hours of each video because your input matters and will shape this journey. Rule number 6, honest reporting. I will not cherry pick data or hide failures. If something doesn't work, you're gonna know. If maybe I didn't get a subscriber that week, you're gonna know about it. This journey will be better with your participation. Here's what I need from you. Subscribe and turn on notifications because you don't wanna miss any updates in this journey. Hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you're notified when a video goes live. Comment your thoughts. Are you starting your own YouTube channel? What's your biggest YouTube challenge? What strategies do you want me to test first? What questions do you have about this challenge? If you're also growing a channel, share your stats in the comments. Let's support each other. Drop your channel name, your subscriber count, so that we can all check out each other's content. Hold me accountable. If I'm not posting consistently, or if you think I'm not being transparent enough, call me out in the comments, because this is only going to work if I stay accountable. Spread the word. If you know someone that's trying to grow on YouTube, share this video with them, because the more people in this challenge, the more that we will learn. Let me address an elephant in the room. Why should you trust me? You know, it's a fair question because I only have 115 subscribers and I haven't posted in a year. To be fair, I have posted on another YouTube channel, but that's going to be in a future video. But look, here's the deal. I have a channel with 16,000 subscribers and another channel with around 5,000 subscribers. Again, I'll get more detail about those channels in a future video, but both of those channels, I was able to get monetized in 90 days, and I made a ton of mistakes. I know now how I could have grown those channels even faster, how I could have made more money faster. This time, I'm applying everything that I've learned, as well as what I've learned through thousands of hours of course, documenting it all for you so you can learn faster than I did. Of course, I'm not promising that this is going to be easy. I'm not promising that every strategy will work. And I'm not even promising that I'm going to hit 1,000 subs in 90 days. What I am promising is complete honesty, effort, and valuable lessons, whether I succeed or fail. Here's my challenge to you. Give me 90 days, follow this journey, implement the strategies I teach, and let's see where we both end up. 90 days from now, we'll record the final video together, either celebrating hitting 1,000 subscribers or analyzing what went wrong and what we learned. You know what? What if we only get 900 subs? Is that really a bad thing? That's more than most people will do that have already created their channel. If you are in, drop a comment right now saying, I'm in, and let me know if you're following along or maybe even starting your own challenge. Thank you so much for being here at the beginning of this journey, and I'll see you in the next video where we're gonna dive into the power of your first 100 videos and why your first 100 videos will change everything. Let's grow together. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video.